Viral nga ang isang kababayan natin Pinay OFW na medyo may edad na dahil nasaksak ito sa tagiliran ng isang lalaki na nag-amok na wala sa katinuan at puwera kay kabayan may isa pang guard na nasaksak na medyo may edad na rin agad namang nadala sa paggamutan.
Police have arrested a foreign man after he attacked passerby and security guards with a knife at a housing estate in Pafulam. 2 people were injured in the incident and sent to hospital. Jeremy Drew has more details.
The 22-year-old suspect, half-naked and wielding a fruit knife, charged at a domestic helper outside Baguio Villa. During the chase, he swung the knife, forcing her against a wall before she collapsed. The suspect's friend, dressed in black, and a security guard armed with a broom, tried to stop the attack, only to trigger the suspect to turn on them. The guard fell while fighting back, attempting to kick the attacker away. Police counter-terrorism officers later arrived and subdued the suspect, arresting him on wounding charges. His friend remained at the scene to assist officers. The 61-year-old helper suffered 3 cuts, each about 2.5 centimeters, to her neck and back. She was cautious when taken to Queen Mary Hospital. The security guard, also 61, sustained abrasions to his elbow and was sent to hospital in stable condition. Investigators sealed off the pavement for examination, recovering a fruit knife about 28 centimeters long. Police said they received the report at around 9:30 a.m., and the suspect was later found to be suffering from depression.
Kaya nga eh. Ate! Ate! Oy! Layo! Ate! Ate!
Oh my God, naabutan si Manang. Ay ano, may tama sa tagiliran. May kilikili. Oh my God. Ay, naabutan siya nung nagwawalang ano, si Raulo. Ay, yan si Ato. Ay, naabutan siya ng si Raulong nagwawala. Yung si ate sinakay sa ambulansya.
Bakit ka pinagsasaksak, te?
Saan po ka, ate?
Amo niya,
It's
amo niya yun?
nagtripan na lang.
Ay, pinagtripan. Ala. Yeah. No, no one. Only her.
Ayon naman sa latest update, binisita na si kabayan ng ating Migrant Workers Office sa Hong Kong at nasa ligtas na siyang kalagayan pati ang guard. At paalala ito sa lahat ng mga kabayan natin, kahit sang bansa man kayo ay dapat tayo laging maging alerto. Wag na tayong lalapit kapag may makita tayong isang tao na nagwawala, lalo na kapag wala ito sa katinoan, para maiwasan natin ito. Pero sa sitwasyon kasi ni kabayan, medyo may edad na siya at kahit na sinisigawan na siya ng kapwa natin Pilipino, ay hindi niya agad narinig at hindi rin siya agad nakatakbo dahil nga medyo may edad na siya.